কেমন আছেন সবাই? আমি আপনাদের খুব ভালোবাসি. മനസ്സിലായോ? എല്ലാ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട മലയാളികൾക്കും മലയാളി മീഡിയ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് എൻ്റെ വിനീതമായ ഹൃദയം നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ കള്ളനും ഭഗവതിയുമിൽ ഭഗവതിയായ മോക്ഷയാണ്. ആ ടൈം ആ സമയം എനിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ഇഷ്ടം ആ സ്നേഹത്തിനെ ഇന്നും കടപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കും. ഇപ്പോൾ ചിത്തിനി നിങ്ങൾ വിജയിപ്പിക്കണം. സോ നമുക്ക് പടം ചിത്തിനി, മൈ സെക്കൻഡ് മലയാളം ഫിലിം, ഈ മാസമായി ഡേ ആഫ്റ്റർ ടുമോറോ 27 സെപ്റ്റംബറിൽ റിലീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ പ്ലീസ് എവ്രി വൺ, എല്ലാവരും ആദ്യത്തെ തന്നെ തിയേറ്ററിൽ പോയി കാണണം. ആൻഡ് yes, to the captain of our ship, Vijayan sir, I think you have gifted me something which I have never imagined of. Even anybody, any Malayali, even apart from Kerala also, they recognize me as Bhagavati. So I think it is the biggest blessing. I am from the land of Bengal where Ma Durga is worshipped. So another form of Shakti is Bhagavati, Bhagavati Ma Durga, or whatever we say. So I'm really lucky, and Kalanu Bhagavatim is also a very big hit on OTTs, not only in Kerala, in other states also it's doing wonderful. I've been getting calls from my Telugu industry, Tamil, Bengali, everywhere, even all across the nation. So now coming to Chittini. Uh, the Chittini was about to release on 2nd of August. But due to some of the other reason, I think one of the main reason was Wayanad flood and some health issues also. So it's releasing now on 27th, when we all are seeking for justice. The entire nation is looking up to the justice. So I came to know yesterday, 27th, there was the next hearing on Supreme Court Abhaya case. So let's see whether we can give justice to Chittini, as our writer KV Anil sir said. Yeah, this is also a horror investigative thriller, definitely. But yes, it's also a story of justice. Whether justice will be served to Chittini or not. So for that you have to come to the theatre and watch. And thank you so much, the entire team. As he said, this especially thriller and horror films are very difficult in one way, technically also. So each and every department, from story, from Anil sir's story, it's a second movie working with him. Ratish sir's beautiful canvas of cinematography, Kuti sir's edit, and definitely I must talk about the songs. When it comes to East Coast production, so the audios, that it has to be musically something magical. So beautiful music, wonderfully done by Ranjindrat sir, and especially the background score. I mean the sound score also. I have gone through it a little bit. It's I must say, please you go to the theaters and watch. Then you will come to know, yeah, it's true. And Kala Master has done the beautiful choreography of Shaila Nandini. I'm so lucky that being a classical dancer, I got this beautiful classical number in Malayalam industry, which I heard after years. It is a classical number is there in a Malayalam film, and I have always been a very big fan of Malayalam films. I think the entire India is looking up to Malayalam industry now, and I'm very proud that I could, be a small name in Malayalam industry. That's just because of you, Vijayan sir. I shall never forget it, and I once again promise you, my next project is also dedicated to the entire Malayali people, for the love, the support which I got. I will never let you all down. And coming to the co-actors, Amit Cheda has been a wonderful co-actor, such a supportive co-actor. Thank you so much for that. Aarti, Inakshi also. Inakshi, they have done their job so well. Vinay sir, Sudhish sir, Johnny Anthony sir, Polly Amma, my father, Srikant sir, sorry, Srikant sir. So beautiful. I mean, it's a story of all the actors, all of our contribution. So I hope, and Malayali friends, especially media friends, thanks to all of you for coming here, and the support, the vibe I got back, I revived back. Now I feel like, yes, again I will fight, again I will fight. So fight back. It won't stop until and unless justice is served. Thank you so much. And Manju ma'am, thanks for a wonderful PRO activity. You are also a main, one of the strength of us. And Vijayan sir, once again, thank you. We love you so much. You are our inspiration, and a person like you, you know, he has set up an example. It's just a number. Age is just a number. He can do anything. At a stretch of 52 days of shooting, he was there. He did it. He scolded us. He taught us. He did whichever way possible to make the movie, to uplift the movie, you know, as this Chittini, which is going to get released on 27th of September. Thank you so much. Ottiri Sneham Churam Santosham.